So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the Q2 earnings of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. So once you're inside of the Yahoo Finance application, simply just select a stock of your choosing. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go to the top search bar right here, and how about I search up ticker symbol Walmart, so WMT for this demonstration. Once that is done, just scroll down a little bit till you come across summary, analysis, and financials. Press on financials. Then to where it says financials right here, there's performance, there's earnings. Simply just press on earnings right here. And on this screen, it'll actually now show you the Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 earnings. So if you're looking for Q2, I can view this from the past year. Obviously, Q2 hasn't came out yet for 2024, but for 2023, you can actually view the Q2 earnings here in this earnings report. So fairly straightforward, but this is how to view the Q2 earnings of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.